Hello, my dear children. You are enjoying the program Dada Dadi Stories. Children, do you want to know why Ganpati's cow trunk is so powerful? Here is the story. Long, long ago, because of Lord Indra's carelessness, the demon Matsarasura came on the earth. This demon was filled with jealousy and wanted to rule the world. He prayed to Lord Shiva and gained great powers. Soon he began troubling the gods and spreading fear everywhere. The gods finally prayed to Ganpati for help. Ganpati appeared in his first avatar called Vakratunda, meaning the one with a curved trunk. With his mighty trunk, he defeated Matsarasura and restored the peace. From then on, people remembered Ganpati as Vakratunda, showing that even a curved trunk can be a symbol of strength and wisdom. So, the moral of the story is that wisdom and strength can overcome jealousy and pride. So, let us summarize. Vakratunda trunk so strong, he teaches us right from wrong. With wisdom bright and courage true, Ganpati shows what love can do. Thank you.